Bird and Kip.
Bird and Kip is the box. Episode 1. Kip's bookshelf. Kip was in his new desk. Most of his things were set up. He put his book on his bookshelf. I have lots of books, Kip thought. Crack! Oh no, Kip said. My bookshelf broke. I need a new bookshelf, Kip said. He tapped his chin. I will find one. Kip walked around the park. He went to the beach. He went to the boardwalk. Finally, Kip found something. It was a wooden box. Kip's eyes lit up. Maybe this box can be a bookshelf. Kip looked carefully at the box. He kicked it. This box is strong, Kip said, and it can hold all my books. I will take it home. Kip tried to lift the box. He tried and tried. Oh, Kip said, this box is too heavy. This box is too heavy. Bird and Kip. The box. Episode 2. Bird's basket. Bird was in her nest. It was made from sticks. Bird has some extra sticks. I'll get rid of them later, she thought. Bird put her art things in a basket. The basket had a hole. A pencil fell through. I need a new basket, Bird thought. Bird flew around. She flew to the boardwalk. Bird found a big box. This box looks strong, Bird said. It can hold my art things. Bird tried to lift the box. It's too heavy. Bird flew home. Kip, Bird said, I need your help with a box. Wow, Bird, Kip said. I need your help with a box too. Let's get your box first, Bird said. Kip led Bird to the boardwalk. He pointed at a big box. Bird sighed. Hey. We both want the same box, Kip. Ben kept the box. Episode 3. Bird's idea. I need this box, Bert said. I need this box, Kip said. Bert sighed. You can have the box, Kip sighed. No, Bert, you can't have it. Really? Bert asked. Kip nodded. Thanks, Kip, Bert said. Together, Bert and Kip left the box. They moved it to Bert's nest. Kip saw Bert's extra sticks. I can make a bookshelf, Kip said. I'll use those sticks. He got to work. Soon he had a bookshelf. It looks good, Bert said. He put a book on it. Crash! The bookshelf fell apart. Kip frowned. Bert looked at the stick. You can have the box, Kip, Bert said. I have an idea. Bert fixed her basket with the stick. She smiled. Nothing fell out. He smiled. It held all of these books.